Welcome back to the Dragon at 282 Eglinton Avenue West in Toronto, Ontario. Today, as promised, we're taking a look at the Magic Flight Launch Box, one of the smallest, most portable vaporizers on the market today. The company says they're on version 63.7, so it's quite obvious that they've put a lot of thought and effort into creating a very efficient miniature vaporizer. The vaporizers are available in maple, walnut or cherry selections, and they come with options to get an etched window in there that adds a bit of a different look to your vaporizer to stand out from all of the other Magic Flight Launch Box owners. There's quite a few of them.